When we look at controls, we need reliability and simplicity. I don't want all the bells and whistles. I don't want anything overcomplicated. I just need to run asphalt, and I need the plant to work efficiently and effectively all the time. So I was looking for a simple system that did what we needed to do and did it very well. In the most recent upgrade of our plant controls, we went to the AccuTrack Advanced. The reason I chose to go to that, it works off a Linux-based controller and uses a PLC as opposed to some of the older technology here. Here at Dickerson & Bowen, we like the fact that the technology is reliable and it performs every day. We're in central and southwest Mississippi as our market, but Jackson is our highest producing plant. We produce about half of our tonnage every year out of Jackson. This plant, ultimately, we run 11 and a half months a year. We need to be able to crank up and run every day. If we have downtime, it's essentially it's lost business for us. So, we manage spare parts, we manage the controls in a way that it enables uptime. Our previous control system worked on the Windows platform, and through some upgrades and some other problems, Windows is just not reliable. We've had problems keeping the control system running basically on older Windows systems. And I was just looking to get away from Windows. The DOS-based system here works great. It's reliable, it comes up every time. The engineering was very hands-on. I'm a very detailed technical person, and the guys at Stansteel were able to work with me and provided the information I need, and we were able to get documentation back and forth and drawings. I was able to customize the system to exactly the needs I had, and working with the guys in the controls department, it was a very easy process. Installation went through on schedule. We worked 7 days a week through the install process, and it was a very tedious process, but the end result was worth it. I was able to get exactly what I wanted and have a clean and simple system in the end. We typically we've reduced our downtimes to one day a year. Here at this plant in Jackson, in a given day, we might produce 4 or 5 different mixes. We produce SMAs, OGFC, state, federal, and local mixes, and in a day we can go from running a virgin mix to a 25% wrap mix. So it's important that the computer responds and is able to change mixes on the fly. It does that very well. We run our private surface and our contractors mix daily, but with that we're also running state and federal mixes. We use 8 virgin bins and 1 wrap bin with 2 mineral fillers, so the mix designs can get quite complicated and cumbersome, but it does a good job of keeping up with those mix designs and making changes on the fly without having any major issues. Yeah, the AccuTrack controls are very customizable to make mix the way we need to make it. The timing, startups and shutdowns, we're able to minimize the waste. Our goal is 2% waste, but we run around 1% to 1.5%. With a good operator, you can really get down to very little waste and maximum efficiency. The best part for me with the AccuTrack controls is the simplicity and the support. My experience with Stansteel and the AccuTrack systems has been great. My headaches are usually caused from problems, and if I'm able to minimize problems or at least pass the burden on to somebody else to help solve those problems, it saves me time and effort and energy at the end of the day. So Stansteel's been great with their support. Anytime we have a problem, it's resolved very quickly. They've been great to work with. We've really not had a lot of problems, but when we do, like all systems have downtime or parts, we get great support, quick support, and parts are very available and quick to arrive.